Hello dear friends, today in this video we are going to understand about trigonometric ratios of complementary angle. First we know complementary angles, then we shall solve some problem based on trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So friends, let's start. See, complementary angle. Two angles are said to be complementary angle if their sum equals 90 degree. Okay? If the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, then we can say they are complementary. Okay, so here you see some pairs of complementary angles. Here 60 plus 30, 90. So 60 and 30 are complementary. 50 plus 40 degree is equal to 90 degree. So 50 degree and 40 degree are complementary. 37 degree plus 53 degree is equal to 90 degree. So here 37 degree and 53 degree, they are complementary. Understood? And in this right angle triangle you see, the angle sum properties, that is sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. You know it. So in this right angle triangle ABC, A angle plus B angle plus C angle is equal to 180 degree. Here B angle is your 90 degree. Okay. So you can write 90 degree in the place of angle B. Then angle A plus C is equal to 180 degree. You take 90 degree right side, then 180 degree minus 90 degree, that is 90 degree. So angle A plus angle C is equal to this angle plus this angle is equal to 90 degree. So you can say angle A and angle C are complementary. Okay. So if angle A is theta, then angle C angle is equal to how much? Angle C is equal to 90 degree minus theta. Understood? Next. See, trigonometric ratios of complementary angle. Angle A and angle C are complementary. This is theta, then this angle will be what? A plus C is equal to 90 degree. If A angle is theta, then C angle is equal to how much? C angle is equal to 90 degree minus theta. Okay. So this angle theta, this angle 90 degree minus theta. So 90 degree minus theta and theta are complementary. And you know that here angle A is theta and C is 90 degree minus theta. Okay. So sin A, for this angle A, perpendicular is your BC, base AB, hypotenuse H, that is AC. So sin A means sin theta equal to what? P by H. So BC by AC, BC by AC. Give it equation 1. Now you find cos C. In this triangle cos C, this, for this angle perpendicular is AB and base is BC and H is H, hypotenuse for this angle. Okay, so here you can write cos 90 degree minus theta, that is equal to, here you know cos B by H, so B is BC, H is SC, so BC by SC. Okay, the same triangle ABC, okay, but I have shown here in two different way, that is for this angle and this angle, but triangle is same. Okay, because for different angle the PV, that is perpendicular and base are different. That's why I have shown in two picture, but triangle is same. Okay, keep in your mind. So now you see equation 1 and 2, right side are same. Yes, so you can write left sides are also same. So from equation 1 and 2 we have sin A is equal to cos C, that is A theta sin theta is equal to cos C equal to 90 degree minus theta, so cos 90 degree minus theta. So this relation you remember. Okay, similarly you can write sin C, this triangle you see, sin C, that is sin means P by H, here P is AB, H SC, so AB by SC. Okay, then cos A, you find cos A, here you see B by H, here B is AB and H is SC, so AB by SC. Okay, now equation 3 and 4th, you have the right side are same, so you can write sin C is equal to sin cos A, sin C is equal to cos A, or you may write sin 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. So here this you must remember, sin 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. Next, as angle A and C are complementary, you find the trigonometric ratio tan, okay, and cot. Tan A, this tan P by B, here P is BC by B AB. Okay, so tan theta is equal to BC by AB, and cot C means this angle, B by what? P, B by P, B is BC, P is AB, so BC by AB. Right sides are equal, so you can write this left side, that is tan theta is equal to cot 90 degree minus theta. So tan theta is equal to cot 90 degree minus theta. Okay, similarly tan C you find, tan C what? P by B, P is AB by B, BC. Okay, and cot A, this angle, P P is what? BC, and B is AB. Okay, here you see cot A equal to cot theta, that is AB by BC, because you know B by P. Cot is what? B by P. So AB by BC. Now you see equation third and fourth, then you get right sides are equal, so you can write left sides are also equal. Okay, so yeah, tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta, you can write. You should remember this also. Now come to sec. Sec A, what? H by what? Sec A what? H by B. Yes, B. So here you see A, this angle, H by B. So SC by AB. Okay. Then come to cosec C. Cosec C means this angle. You know, H always this, and what? This is B, this is P for this angle. Okay. So here you get H by B. H by B means SC by BC. SC by BC. Okay. So you see equation 1 and 2, you get right sides are equal, so you can write left side also equal. So here sec theta is equal to cosec 90 degree minus theta. You must remember this. Okay. Similarly, you can take sec C. Sec C, H by what? B. So H is SC, B what? BC. So SC by BC. Here cosec A, that is A means theta. Okay, here you see this angle. So H by B, sorry, A means this na, H by cosec H by P na, है ना. So H is your SC and P is your this. Okay, this and this. So SC by BC. Right sides are equal, so you can write left sides are also equal. So sec C is equal to cosec A, that is sec 90 degree minus theta is equal to cosec theta. This must remember. Here you see A and C are complementary angle. Then we have sin theta equal to cos 90 degree minus theta and cos theta equal to sin 90 degree minus theta. Sin is related to cos. Okay, a tan is related to cot and sec is related to cosec. So you see tan theta equal to cot 90 degree minus theta, cot theta equal to tan 90 degree minus theta, sec theta equal to cosec 90 degree minus theta, cosec theta equal to sec 90 degree minus theta. You can remember easily in this way. Okay, you remember this in this relation. Okay. Next, some examples based on what? Trigonometric ratios of complementary angle. Okay. So here evaluate tan 65 degree by cot 25 degree. Okay. Here tan and cot related, so you can write 10 in term of cot, or you may write cot in term of 10. Okay, so you convert into same trigonometric ratios. Okay, you here convert or write in term of cot. So cot is equal to 90 degree minus 65 degree. As you know, tan theta equal to what? Cot 90 degree minus theta. So here cot 90 degree minus theta, theta is here 65, so 65 degree. Now you subtract 90 degree minus 65 degree is your 25 degree. So cot 25 degree by cot 25 degree, this remains same. Now you see numerator and denominator are same, so you can cancel. So you get 1 by 1, that is equal to 1. Okay. Example 10. If sin 3a is equal to cos a minus 26 degree, where 3a is an acute angle, find the value of a. 3a is an acute angle. Okay. So here you see both this side. This is in sin, this is in cos. So you write sin in term of cos or cos in term of sin. Okay, you make them equal ratio, means equal trigonometric ratio. Okay, so you write sin in term of cos here. So cos is equal to what? You can write, you know that sin theta equal to cos 90 degree minus theta. Here theta is 3a, so you can write cos 90 degree minus 3a. Okay, is equal to, right side remains same. So cos a minus 26 degree. As this angle and this angle are acute angles, so we can write what? This angle is equal to this angle. Okay, 3a is acute angle, then obviously a is also an acute angle. A minus 26 is also acute angle. 90 degree minus 3a is also acute angle. So this angle and this angle are acute angle, and we are finding the trigonometric ratio of cos. Okay, cos, both this side cos and angle are acute angles, so angle are equals. Okay, angle are equal. So you can write 90 degree minus 3a is equal to a minus 26 degree. Now you take 26 left side and 3a right side. Okay, then you get 90 degree plus 26 degree is equal to a plus 3a, that is 116 is equal to 4a. You can write 4a is equal to 116 degree. That is a equal to what? Here multiply, you take right side 4, then 116 degree by 4, that is equal to 29 degree. So your angle A is 29 degree. Okay. C. Example 11. Express cot 85 degree plus cos 75 degree in term of trigonometric ratios of angle between 0 degree and 45 degree. Okay, here angle is 85 degree. Here angle is 75 degree. But we have to write this expression, okay, in terms of other trigonometric ratios, such that the angle, this angle and this angle, okay, should be changed, okay, and that angle must be in between 0 degree and 45 degree, in between 0 degree and 45 degree, okay. So you know the trigonometric ratios of complementary angle, you know this thing. So you write cot 85 degree in term of 10. So cot theta equal to 10, 90 degree minus theta, you know, and cos theta equal to sin 90 degree minus theta, you know. So here 10 90 degree minus theta, theta is here 85 degree, okay, plus cos, you can write in term of sin, sin equal to 90 degree minus 75, here theta is 75, okay. So now 10 90 degree minus 85 degree is 5 degree, 90 degree minus 75 is 15 degree, okay. Now you have expressed this term, this expression in term of tan and sin, where the angle 5 degree and 15 degree lie between 0 degree and 45 degree. Understood? So this is your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video. For today, this much.